Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Nico here, better known as Slow30. I'm going to be doing an install of the MST air intake on my 2018 BMW 340i. So everybody, this install is actually pretty simple. There's maybe a few clamps and then a few screws you gotta put in, but I mean, other than that, it's a really simple install. It took me maybe 25 minutes max, and that's with filming. I feel like if I wasn't focused on also filming and installing, it would have been done in like 15. It was a pretty simple install. The only headache I had was there was one clamp that was faced weird, so I had to really get a weird angle of my arm to actually get that bottom clamp loose. But you guys will see what I'm talking about when I actually get into the install. If you guys have yet, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot. I really do appreciate you guys. And also, if you have any questions about the install, make sure to comment them down below. With that being said, everybody, let's hop right into the video. Alright, so diving into this air intake. First things first, we have to take off this original air box, and then down here, there is one clamp to take off to take this whole piece off. It's pretty simple install. It should only take like 30 minutes, but I just got to take it from MAF sensor. This clamp here, and then pop these tabs, and then that will come out, and then the new MST intake will go in. Get the top part of the stock airbox out. Now we just have this. It's hard to see. So we still have the stock pipe here, and then down here is a clamp. Just take that off. This will come off. That's it for taking the stock airbox off. Alright, so we got the rest of the stock airbox off. Now we're starting to set up the new MST air intake. So basically you take this aluminum piece and then take the silicone piece, put on the one end farthest away from the MAF sensor, and then you take these clamps, put them on. I tighten the first one on the metal piece first, and then now the loose piece putting it on the plastic end of the stock turbo inlet, and we'll go from there. Alright, buddy, so I got a little too far ahead. I just wanted to get this over with. So basically, we took the shield, bolted here, and then down here you take this little like clip-in piece for the stock airbox, take it off. It's a 16 millimeter, and then you put this heat shield, or like heat shield, but I mean technically is a heat shield. Put this down the same hole, and then screw the same piece back in. This is the hardware that came with the air intake, so I put that back right here in this hole, and then I mean, it's sturdy. Now the only thing left is put your MAF sensor back in, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I get the actual air filter on the air intake piping. Alright, so in this video I'm not going to put the top cover on because I want to get the full sound of the turbo. If you guys want me to do a video of the top half install, I will, but it's pretty simple. You take the top half, put it on top of these, and then take the stock hardware, or not the stock hardware, but the hardware that came with the MST intake, and then screw it in, and then that will be the top cover. But for this video I'm keeping it off, and then now I'm going to go ahead and do a sound test.
Hard to hear over the pop.
Alright, buddy, hope you all enjoyed today's video. Again, I'm so sorry that wasn't as in-depth, but I mean, it's really not that hard to install this MST intake. You maybe need a few tools, screwdriver, possibly like an 8mm socket. I think that's what it was, to get it down really on that really low brace. That's what I do, because the way the brace clamp was positioned, it was so weird. And then also you might need a pick tool, but other than that, that's really it. You don't really need that many tools to actually get this install done. And everybody, I had this on my car for about maybe a week now. Obviously this is late posting it. I just been busy with Christmas and the holidays. What the hell? But guys, I absolutely love it so far. It sounds amazing. If you guys have yet, make sure to go ahead to like and subscribe, and also comment down below if you have any questions about the install. I'll be happy to answer some questions for you guys. Also, everybody go out, check out the clothing brand. Also check out all my social medias. They're all linked in the description below, guys. I do post every other day on TikTok, so if you want to go ahead and follow me on TikTok, it is at slow.f30_. Everybody, hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.